Well, alright guys, we got a Christmas ornament made, and it is something totally different than anything I've ever made before. Mixing a little bit of wood, some resin, and some 3D printing. So, kind of a fun little, I don't know, menagerie of different things all put into one and then turned on the lathe. I'm kind of disappointed. For some reason, I've got some haziness on the bottom where the resin is meeting the wood, and I didn't dry the wood fully, which probably would have been a little bit of a better idea. But in theory, what I did was seal it with CA glue. I put a couple different coats on, and I don't know if the resin didn't really stick to it very well, or there was some kind of an issue with the bonding between the resin and the CA, or if there was still moisture getting through, or if, I don't know, maybe the CA glue was too smooth. Maybe I needed to scuff it back. I don't know what happened, but it would have looked a lot nicer if that walnut was dead clear underneath the resin. So I'm a little disappointed in that, but the cool thing is the 3D printer filament that I used was ABS plastic that is glow in the dark. So it's white during the day and it glows blue at night. So pretty cool. Just I think what I'm gonna have to do is just kind of hang this in the back of the tree a little bit so you can't really see what's going on during the day, and then at night it should glow blue in the dark. So pretty cool stuff. I just want to thank Carl and Alan for setting up the Christmas Ornament Challenge again. They always do an awesome job, and I want to thank everybody else who, you know, participated in the challenge. It's always fun seeing everybody's projects. It's a really good YouTube challenge, so I'm glad that I could participate. I wish I had a little bit more time to kind of maybe do this over again. So I'm gonna have to keep this in the back of my mind. I think I might try and make a pendant similar to this kind of how I did it, and see if I can figure out what the haziness was and get rid of that. So if you're new to the channel, we do all kinds of resin casting experiments, tips and tricks, and projects around here. So if you're into that, definitely hit the subscribe button. I just want to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, have a great time, have a safe time this year. And I want to thank Carl and Alan again for setting this up. They always do an awesome job, and definitely thank you to everybody who participates, because you guys make it so much fun. It's awesome seeing what everybody comes up with. Always really innovative, really cool projects and excellent quality. So thanks to everybody who participated. So until next time guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.